Hey everyone, Tim and Mary here at the Knots Network.
Yes.
We're back at Halloween.
At the Universal Studios
Yes.
Halloween Horror Nights. Woo!
Well, this is our little day vlog, our pregame before we actually do the festivities at night.
Yes, we're
So
back.
before we begin, we want to give a huge shout out to our top Patreon supporters: Tom, SoCal Fun Seeker, Sierra Farside, and Starport 55.
Woo!
Production Central is all HHN'd out. Ooh, look at the cup. The cups are so cool. Look at these cups. $15. It's really cool. Ooh, look at Holidays in Hell. Look at these socks are cool. Ooh, the lanyards are cool too. It's so fun, you guys. We haven't. Oh. Cool. How much is it? It is $30. Is it $30 plus discount or just $30?
I think.
Oh, here's Chucky stuff. Oh, look at these bucket hats, Mary. Oh, this is the cup you're talking about. Yes, this is needed. Oh, it's only $18, Mary. Look at this.
There's my one.
These are our favorite cups. It's by, I forget the brand, but they're nice and insulated. Is this the year shirt? Oh, this one has all the houses on it. Ooh, look at this one though, Mary. Isn't this one that you like too? Yeah, everything is $3.
Yeah.
Mary's getting some pictures inside there. They got a lot of cool merch. Everything's around the $30 range. Like shirts, hats. So yeah, you guys, usually Voodoo Donuts has special HHN themed donuts. And also chocolate, Twosome Chocolate Emporium has a special HHN shake. I don't know if we could see it outside. Maybe, maybe not. They're like TV, they're digital signages, so this is where you could just go to get a shake if you just want a shake. It's nice. Very nice, right?
Yes.
Let's see if they have it on the screen. Ooh, look at all these shakes. We might share a shake. The smokestack is leaking. So you guys, this turned into a Starbucks over here. The place next to It's Sugar. Crazy. I could smell it. Oh, you know what? We thought a cowfish was gonna be put there. I wouldn't do that if I were you. This is where we're going for our pregame. Maybe get a margarita.
And taquitos to celebrate. Oh, guys, we finally got a car.
Oh yeah, we finally got a car. Well, we always try to go to Antijitos every opening night. So we'll come later, around 5 o'clock. Halloween goodness is everywhere at the Universal Studios Hollywood. Nice. Scary Halloween. Let's see what's inside here. Spookified stuff. Look at, oh nice. Well, yes, I like the patches.
I could possibly get this one.
I like the idea of patches for HHN, for sure. Oh, the creature. And there's Dracula. Look at that mummy minion. They're advertising VillainCon stuff from the new ride that's over in Orlando. It looks like, not really advertising, but they're selling stuff. Oh, look at these guys. The main Universal Studios store is all decked out for Halloween Horror Nights. Never go alone. Cool.
Eric and Chucky are on there.
Oh, I see Chucky, yes. I see Eric.
The ornament.
That's what
need it.
Mary wants. Stranger Things stuff. Stranger Things stuff. Whoa. It's a big mug.
Look at this wallet. This is a cool wallet. This is Horror Nights
And
on it
it'd
too.
probably be $30 with our discount.
Guys, I want everything.
All right, we're about to go through the theme park security check. Ooh, the gate is ready. Look at, there's 11. But not even 15 minutes in, and I'm already dropping money.
Yeah, 'cause his other
my
one
pouch broke. Yeah, look at this, isn't that cool? And it's got a little charm on it. There it is right there. What do they call the thing again, Mary? I'm sorry.
A planchette.
Planchette. We have to upgrade to the express later
Yes.
tonight because they sell out online first always.
Yes.
The last 2 years we've had to do it this way. Anyways, where are we going now, Mary?
Right over here.
I follow you. She wants to look at this stuff. There's a light right there. This is crazy.
There's a Chucky souvenir bucket.
Oh wow, there's lots of spooky fight nuts. There's 2 house entrances over here. Check out these. Are those popcorn buckets right there?
Yeah, those are.
Cool. Ooh, look at this guy. It's Chucky. Oh, is that the? Oh, it's out of stock right now, Mary. Or is it coming out later? And then there's Evil Dead Rise in there, in that inside where there's air conditioning.
And there's monsters.
Oh, let's go look at it. Let's go look at the facade.
Owl moves its head. Ready?
Does it really?
Ready? Ready?
Wait, this thing's way over there. Oh my gosh. Oh man.
I know, right?
I need to put on some sunscreen, you guys. The sun's
Hot
baking me.
101 at the beginning of the season. Bring sunscreen.
Yeah, no kidding.
What?
I can see the horizon. That is so weird. They totally leveled down that stuff over there. Let's go check that out. So you guys, it's been last time we came here was my birthday, and look at they've completely got rid of the Animal Actors Theater.
Yeah.
Oh wow, they've gotten rid of everything, Mary.
Gosh, it's the Home Depot still.
Look at this, you guys. Isn't this crazy? Whoa. Whoa. We'll have to go. Look at this. It's so weird. You can't see. Look at
Yeah.
that trippy. This whole area is about to change, you guys.
Oh, yeah.
Mary has seen this place change more than me.
Oh yeah.
Way more
I've
than
had
me.
a season pass forever.
Yes. I've seen it change a little bit, but this is crazy looking to see this kind of change. Because these 2 buildings have been here forever. Wow. But look at you guys, it's the Home Depot skeletons. They have an extra foot on them. So that makes them 13 feet high. What is this scare zone called, Mary?
This is, I don't remember what it's called, but it's a whole Latin America.
There's skeletons everywhere. Yes, this is our favorite stuff. It's the burr wrap and the erosion cloth.
Hey guys, it's just the girly things.
Check it out, guys. So we're more construction of that new Fast and Furious roller coaster. Check it out, though. God, you guys, they literally leveled everything. Build a new building.
Build a new building.
But wow,
Five Nights
and
at
you can
Freddy's.
see, yeah, it's Mary's super excited. There's Five Nights at Freddy banner right there, and then you could totally tell that's probably where footers are gonna go down there, guys. Look at it. Not in the mood to get a new regular cup yet. Like, we still need to get one. That's on our list. We do have a Christmas one,
We want to
and
spend
we have a spooky stuff.
all the money.
But instead, we just recharged these for $20. Not bad. 2 drinks. Drinks for us all day until like 2 in the morning, right?
Yeah.
Look at the round building that they've been working on over there. And that's that other new building too. Gosh, a lot happens when you don't come in a few months, huh? Oh, did you put some sunscreen on? Yeah, it's a little toasty right now. And like, look at you guys, the employees can do whatever they want here. Ooh, that breeze feels good with the mist over here. It's trippy, you guys, how close. The fall is way over here. And then there's Harry Potter Land. And like we predicted, they relocated the digital marquee over here. And check out these balloons, guys. They're still doing the balloons.
And they have Halloween ones.
Yes, there's an orange one somewhere with spoopies on it. Yes.
With the Universal
Yes.
Monsters.
Cool. Oh my gosh, you guys, this whole deal right here reminds me of when they were building like Simpsons Land and all that stuff. Yeah, remember the construction when they were building Simpsons Land? Oh, look though, they still have the special effects sign up though, you guys. It's hard to tell, but it's up there. Look, there's the Springfield sign. It lives. So last year I got the bacon maple. It is so delicious. And we're getting one tonight.
Yes.
Making it a yearly tradition now. You know, you wouldn't even think it's a Thursday here. It's still busy.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you guys, we're near the Starway. Oh my gosh, no more shade.
No
No more shade. It's so weird. Look at, woo, bright. Yeah, construction is trippy here, always. That one iconic sign is gone now.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll come back in a new way,
Yeah.
somewhere else. Who knows? Escalator or go down the stairs manually? All right, escalator. Let's go to the left over there. Look how close you guys can get to the action. This is crazy looking. Whoa. They still have all that up there because there's restaurants for Simpsons Land. I think the tracks are going over this, aren't they, Mary?
Yeah.
It's basically our version of Velocicoaster, you guys. What do you think? With a little twist. There's a maze down there. I mean, a maze house. A house maze. Staying alive. Oh, look at that, Mary. It's so weird watching construction here. What do you think? I've seen a lot of it too. I've watched them build Harry Potter. I watched them build Fast and Furious. So now I'm watching them build 2 Fast and Furious things. Nice, fresh Revenge of the Mummy sign over yonder. Mary's on the other side. Look at all the hot lights. Hot lights. And look at, there's special drinks to die for. Wanna go see? Oh. They don't really tell you what kind of drinks they are. You gotta go up top. You see all the haunt lights, you guys. Haunt lights. Yes. Oh yes. And then 11's Waffle Sundae. You wanna try that? I wanna try that. Look at Surfer Boy Pizza. That's the pizza place.
What's the milkshake?
Oh yes, we wanna go. Scoops Ahoy. That's funny.
You know that? That ice cream comes from the liquid of cow. You have the personality of a cow.
A strawberry sundae for horror nights too.
Oh, cool. Nice. Tosu Cafe is already booked, of course.
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy? The music.
The spaghetti there was super good.
It was so good, you guys, the food. We've only gotten to go once. It's sad.
Glad we did it when we did.
Let's go in to the land of Mario. Boop, boop, boop. We forgot our power bands. That's okay. Okay, you guys. We lasted about 2 shakes down here. We're going back up. We went into Nintendo Land for like 2 seconds. Now we're heading back up.
We're just investigating.
Yes, we're just seeing how it was since we've been. Look at that, you guys. Fast and Furious. Vin Diesel.
Ride or die.
Ride or die. Family. Give me some Coronas.
It'll be funny. I hope they have a good sense of
Hey,
humor.
sell
'Cause
us
Universal-
Coronas.
Yeah, Universal has a great sense of humor. Call it Family the Coaster.
Family, the coaster. No. Corona, the coaster.
Corona. Oh, it's sponsored.
What else does he like? Yes, sponsored by Corona. What? He likes his Coronas.
Every single one.
Oh yeah, the fans. It's hot right now. All the fans are on. Look at that. So crazy looking, you guys. It's amazing how much bigger it looks without stuff around here now. Crazy looking. You guys, look at. There's all the signs, you guys. We are T-minus 3.5 hours.
Look at this puppet effect. It's the
Yeah.
Monster Book of Monsters. $30.
Yeah, she already attacked me with it. She attacked it. Our camera's is on the fritz, you guys. Never go alone. There's glowy stuff too, Mary. Glowy and flashy stuff. The things for your head. So yeah, it's got all the classic monsters on it. How fun. Ooh, what creepy stuff do they got here? Ew, turkey leg, no. Dracula's cupcake, Mary. Dracula's cupcake. Yum, yum.
The 22-inch.
Oh, look at.
Oh yeah, and Brand. I forgot you, Brand.
Look at the New Yorkers down here.
Oh, they're just hanging out.
They're working on the apartment. We thought it was the perfect time to come down and enjoy the neighborhood.
They
you
put
know?
up the wall. They said we're fumigating. He says, all right, we'll walk
fumigating.
around. Walk it, walk it, walk it, walk it.
Oh,
Have a wonderful
Have a wonderful day.
Hey, have a good one, Justin. You two take care, all right?
You too.
So you guys, the battery on the gimbal is kind of getting low. We are inside, I forgot what this store is called, the Palace, the Deli and Market Palace. next to the Monstros. Check it out, you guys. We got our exclusive Universal Studios Pass member magnet that has Peach on it. Princess Peach. Look at that blondie. Actually, she has yellow hair. All right, you guys, it is now 4 o'clock. The park's already starting to get ready for haunt mode. Look at, there's the gates. A lot of things are closed. We will be upgrading after we get in the park. Yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for our day visit to Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights.
Yes.
I'm gonna go over here and do our closing.
I
Thanks.
love getting to see like the scare zones, the maze facades, and the light. You get to see all the details
Oh, yes,
in
before-
their daytime.
Yes, before tonight when the fog comes out.
Yes, see
We are
you
only,
in the fog.
Yeah, we are only about 3 hours till 7 o'clock
Yes,
from this point.
yes.
Yeah, we're gonna go pregame, get
Pre-game.
some food, and that will be a
Yes.
separate vlog, our whole HHN activities.
Ooh.
We want to thank you guys so much for
Water
tuning
World.
in. Oh yeah, Waterfall, it's going on right now. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We want to give a huge shout out to our Patreon supporters. Tom, Cookie Trails, Tucker Time, SoCal Fun Seekers, CDR Farsight, Starport 55, Pro Slots, Lewis, David the Psychic, and Jax.
Woo!
See you guys next video.
Thank you. Bye-bye.